Nearly 1 in 5 U.S. households adopted a pet during the COVID pandemic. Surveys say that there are actually more dogs in the city of San Francisco than there are children. And during the COVID pandemic, that gap only widened, with many people sitting at home looking for a little furry companionship. The demand for veterinarians has become so great that the Animal Care and Emergency Services Clinic flies in vets from out of state. Dustin Johnson's previous dog, Bailey, suffered a prolapsed uterus in August 2021. It took 7 hours to find an available vet and another 90 minutes waiting at the office just to be seen.
Total bill at the vet in the Mission was like $3,500. They transported her to Oak Vet in Oakland. They said it was going to be between $12,890 and $29,000 to fix the dog. I had to put $17,500 down. And then they started it on the procedure. She ended up passing away 5 hours after surgery.
Looking to solve the vet crisis, a new venture capital-funded startup in San Francisco, Dr. Treat, launched a 24/7 virtual care model with an app.
We designed our workflows, our systems, our technology to make the whole process smoother and more efficient, so that we could actually take on more patients than a typical clinic. We could actually see them in the comfort of their own homes via telehealth, telemedicine, or we could do it in the clinics however they wanted. We wanted to be that company that embraced technology.
Vet Tony Wynn says where he worked before, people could hardly get an appointment.
We have a personalized telemedicine and triage kind of line that will, one, get your concerns, get your concerns addressed, and then we can figure out whether or not they can come in the same day after, or hopefully as soon as possible.
At Dr. Treat, initial appointments begin with a DNA test.
This is a brand new process. It's really, really exciting stuff.
The genetic testing kit is important because one of the most critical things is understanding the genetic makeup of that animal. We then layer that information with the health marker data that we have and the vitals of that animal. And then we layer in other variables like the diet, the lifestyle, the surroundings of that animal, to then come up with a very personalized plan to keep that animal healthy.
Dr. Treat is also disrupting the industry with a different type of business model, a $250 membership that covers all exam fees and includes the 24/7 virtual care. The aim is to place a greater emphasis on preventative care to optimize pet health for the long haul. Mark New, CGTN, San Francisco.